The Air Jordan 1 market has crashed completely here in 2023. Prices are down bad on every single Jordan 1 for the most part. Every pretty much Jordan 1 that has released here in 2023. If you guys think about it, there's not much resale, if any resale, on Jordan 1s. And if you guys take a look at the market, a lot of sneakers. The market has completely dropped, tanked, a full 180. It's crazy to say. This is absolutely crazy. I'm going to do another video talking about the market, but in this video, I want to focus on the Air Jordan 1. The Air Jordan 1 is one of those sneakers that really sticks out. Why? Because it had a huge, and I mean a huge peak. In 2020, we saw the Air Jordan 1 low, mid, high. It did not matter. There was resale. It didn't matter. There was resale. They were good holds. A lot of pairs were going up in price. It was crazy. If you were trying to get your hands on any Jordan 1, you were paying a good amount of money for them. Definitely over retail. Definitely over retail if you were not able to get them on release. It was tough. You know, people were lining up for their Jordan 1s. It was crazy. And we fast forward now to 2023. A full 180, guys. A full 180. Lows, mids, sitting. Highs, sitting. Or taking a while to sell out. Or just going on sale to even possibly have a chance at selling out. This is crazy. The market's done a full 180. I have a question for you. Do you want a pair of Jordan 11 Gratitudes? If you do want a pair in your size, make sure you guys smash that like button. Make sure you guys comment down below. Let me know what size you need. Hit that subscribe button right now. Join the More family. We're on the road. We're about to hit 70,000 subscribers. Make sure you guys subscribe. Then take a picture. Take a screenshot. DM me on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. I'll have the link down below in the description. Send me proof that you guys subscribed to my YouTube channel. Good luck on the free giveaway for a pair of Jordan 11 Gratitudes. The giveaway winner will be announced here on YouTube, and I am giving away a few pairs, so make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in. Good luck. If you're a sneakerhead and you love the Air Jordan 1, this is amazing news for you. If you're a reseller, this is trash news for you. It's the truth. Personally, I have mixed feelings about it because I personally love my Air Jordan 1s, so it gives me a great chance to get new releases. The problem is, I don't really care for most of these releases because the colorways are not great, to be honest. That's my downside of it. Listen, I love my Jordan 1s, but in my opinion, we've seen the Jordan 1 do bad, like in colorways. I just don't think Nike's dropping good colorways of the Air Jordan 1. I think that's the problem, if you ask me, a huge problem. But as far as the resale side, I'm not a full-blown reseller, but I do like, when it comes to content, having more hype, right? That's really what we want as content creators. More hype, we get the views, and the Jordan 1, when there's hype on the Jordan 1, it spreads through sneaker YouTube. It's good for views on everybody. The Mochas, for example. That's a great example. The Lost and Founds were another great example. You know, everyone gets views on those type of shoes. Well, here in 2023, no. As far as being a content creator, it's been a struggle when it comes to the Air Jordan 1 here in 2023. It really has. Even the Travis Scott golf shoe didn't really have that much demand like crazy. Yes, you know, there's resale on them, but it's a golf shoe. So we know people aren't really that crazy about it. It's a golf shoe, right? So my point, guys, here is this. Jordan Brand, Nike, they haven't been dropping great colorways, if you ask me, and it's definitely playing a factor into the Air Jordan 1 market. Of course, with everything going on in the world, people have less money. That's just how it is. You know, everything, groceries, don't even get me started. Everything is going up in price. Bills, everything is going up. And people's money, not so much to keep up with things. It's just how it is. So people have less money. I understand that. That's just how it is in the world compared to just a few years ago. It's crazy to see the market do a full 180. Crazy if you think about it. You know, back in 2020, 2021 even, I don't think a lot of people would have saw this coming as quickly and drastically as it has. If you guys look at the market, it's been drastic. I'm going to give you guys some examples that have released this year that are basically under retail, slightly above, nothing too crazy where, you know, if this was 2-3 years ago, these sneakers would be so much money. The Black Toe Jordan 1 Low is going for under retail, crazy. Palominos, slightly at, basically at around retail. UNC Toes, same thing. Those sneakers would be $300 if it was 2020. We all know it. It's crazy to see what's going on. Crazy. If you're a sneakerhead, you're going to love this time because you guys can get Air Jordan 1s for great prices. You can also go back on releases that you might have missed, and you're not going to have to pay that crazy of resale prices, because the truth is, if you look at a lot of Jordan 1s that released within the last few years that were crazy high in price, some of them still are, don't get me wrong, but a lot of them have dropped a lot in price. Mochas even came down, right? So a lot of these Jordan 1s have been coming down in price. Lost and Founds, they dropped in price compared to just when they released a year ago. It's crazy to see what's going on. And we thought, I think a lot of people thought a lot of these Jordan 1s would go up in price, be really good holds in the next 3-4 years. And it just doesn't seem to be the case. Who knows? In the next year or two, is the Air Jordan 1 going to go back up in hype? Is the sneaker market really going to go back up in hype? I'll be honest with you guys, things are down across the board as far as sales, views, everything for everybody. Things are just down across the board for sneakers in the niche. It's just how it is, and it's crazy to say. This was not the case in 2020, 2021. We did see this decline start to happen in 2022. Last year, I want to say June, July, around that time is when I was starting to really notice it. And now a year and a half later, crazy that time goes by so fast. A year and a half later, and we're now throughout the whole year seeing what's going on. And now it's a year and a half later I'm making this video. It's been crazy. We've seen the market fully flop a full 180. I wasn't expecting this. I don't think a lot of people were really expecting this. Will the Jordan 1 bounce back? Will the sneaker market bounce back? Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Let me know what do you guys think about this, because this is crazy. Crazy if you ask me. Great time to be a sneakerhead. Bad time to be a reseller. If you have mixed feelings like I do, let me know down below in the comments. I got mixed feelings on it because I'm a content creator. Things are just down across the board, and especially in the Air Jordan 1 world. Crazy to see. Crazy. You guys know I love my Air Jordan 1s. A lot of my videos here on the channel are based on the Air Jordan 1. It's crazy to see a full 180. 180, man. 180. I didn't expect it. Let me know what you guys think. Hit that like button. Make sure you guys subscribe. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.